everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Master SB, and today's picture is in front of your screen. The image shows a young man appearing to be in his early 20s, standing with a serious and slightly stern expressions. In front of him is a middle-aged woman dressed in a sari who looks emotional and is holding his hand while speaking to him. It seems she is requesting something from him. In the background, another woman aged similar to the man is seen with one hand on wall, looking at them, and she is also a bit upset. The setting seems to be indoors with a plain wall and part of a window or door frame visible. So this is our picture, and again it is often repeated in the SSBs and a very popular one. So now let us look at themes. First, theme 1. Rohit's younger sister got selected for a reputed university in another city. Their mother became emotional at the thought of her daughter staying away and held Rohit's hand to express her concern. Rohit listened patiently and assured her that they would remain in regular touch, visit during vacations, and everything would be fine. He cracked a small joke to lighten the atmosphere, which brought a faint smile to his mother's face. In the following days, Rohit actively helped his sister prepare for the move. He assisted her in packing clothes, buying items needed for the hostel, and guiding her on what would be useful in her new life. He also booked her flight tickets in advance. To celebrate her achievement and boost her confidence, he organized a small farewell get-together at home with close friends and family. When the day of departure arrived, Rohit encouraged his sister to stay strong and make the most of the opportunity. She said goodbye to everyone and Rohit dropped her to the airport with a feeling of pride. Okay, so in this particular story, I've made the similar story as I made in the previous video, in which the man was going to the university for his studies, and again the mother and sister were emotional. Now in this story, his sister is going to university and mother is a bit emotional. So this way you can smartly fit similar theme into different pictures, molding them a bit. So you have to be smart about it. Okay, now points to observe. First, neutral and positive approach. The story avoids unnecessary negativity and portrays a natural situation of a family member moving away for studies. It highlights emotions but balances them with optimism. Second, connection with the picture. The presence of Rohit, his mother, and his younger sister creates a logical family setting. Their interaction and activities, packing, preparing, and dropping her off, justifies the expression and context. And most important, the woman, his mother, with his hands around his neck, we have justified it as she is emotional because his sister is about to go for higher studies. So we have logically explained the picture, making their mother emotional about the girl's departure. Third, emotional sensitivity. Rohit's patient listening and gentle humor show emotional maturity. He handled his mother's concern with care while keeping the environment calm and reassuring. Fourth, practical support. The detailed steps like packing, buying hostel items, and booking tickets reflects responsibility and problem-solving ability. This shows Rohit's readiness to take initiative in real-life tasks. Fifth, celebration of achievement. The farewell get-together emphasizes how Rohit boosted his sister's confidence and made the family proud. It reflects thoughtfulness and encouragement. Sixth, strong family bond. The consistent support from preparation to farewell demonstrates care, unity, and responsibility within the family. Seventh, positive ending. The story concludes on a note of pride and encouragement, with Rohit motivating his sister to embrace her new journey confidently. So these were the points to observe regarding our theme 1. Now I am going to give you another story. So have a look at our theme 2. Rohit's younger sister was selected to participate in a city-wide badminton tournament. It was her first time traveling alone, which made her a little nervous. Their mother also felt worried, thinking about her daughter being away from home. Rohit held his mother's hand and reassured her calmly, even cracking a small joke to make both of them smile. He assured his sister that traveling alone would help her gain confidence and exposure. He helped her pack her bag with clothes, sports gear, and essential items for the trip. Rohit taught her tips to manage time, stay organized, and stay calm during travel. He also booked her train tickets and explained the route step by step. On the day of departure, he accompanied her to the station and guided her through boarding. She travelled confidently for the first time and gave her best in the tournament. She returned home after winning, feeling proud and excited. Rohit was very proud of his sister and organized a small celebration party at home with family and friends. Everyone enjoyed the moment and Rohit was happy to see his sister's growth. Again, a similar story but with different objective. So this was our theme 2, and now let us see points to observe. First, neutral and positive approach. The story portrays the realistic situation of a young girl traveling alone for the first time. The emotions of both the sister and the mother are handled naturally and positively. Second, connection with the picture. The interactions between Rohit, his mother and his sister reflect a believable family scene. Rohit's guidance, packing and travel preparations match the visible activities in the story. Third, encouragement and independence. Rohit's support motivated his sister to travel alone for the first time, boosting her confidence and self-reliance. Fourth, emotional sensitivity and humor. By cracking a small joke to calm his mother, Rohit balanced concern with positivity, showing emotional intelligence and lightheartedness. Fifth, preparation and guidance. Rohit's practical help, packing, organizing travel, explaining the route demonstrates responsibility and foresight. Sixth, achievement and celebration. His sister's victory in the tournament and the subsequent celebration emphasizes the importance of encouragement, preparation and shared family joy. Seventh, positive ending. The story concludes on a proud and uplifting note, highlighting both the sisters' accomplishment and Rohit's supportive role in her journey. So friends, these were the two themes on this picture, and this is again a very important picture and is repeatedly seen in the SSBs. So I've given you two themes. You can go through them, copy them exactly or mold them according to yourself, or you can completely write a new theme. If you have one, comment it in the comment section. I'll go through it. Friends, you might have seen a video in which there is a family scene and there are two females and two males, with two females in the bit negative mood and the males interacting with each other. If you want story on that picture, it is there on your screen. You can click on the video and go through the story. So friends, this was our video and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.